Circle Real Estate is growing. That's why we want to talk to you. We are now accepting applications for all agents, regardless whether you're newly licensed or maybe you've sold 3 homes or possibly 25 homes. The only thing we care about is if you share our core values of personal responsibility, accountability, commitment, contribution, and grit. Let me elaborate. At Circle Real Estate, we believe that success is built on taking ownership of our actions and decisions and being accountable for the outcomes. This means not only taking responsibility for our own performance, but also for the impact our work has on others. We are committed to making a positive contribution to both our agent partners and our community. We believe that this contribution can be measured not only in financial gains, but also in the lasting impact we have on the lives of others. It takes grit and determination to succeed in any business venture. Our ideal partner is someone who is willing to persevere through challenges and overcome obstacles to achieve their goals. When there is growth, there are going to be bumps along the way. We are proud of this organization that will support your hopes, your dreams, and desires if you show up and do the work. While at the same time, along the way, we have our flaws. We will make mistakes, and we are constantly evolving our processes to stay out in front and innovate. If you're growth-minded, understand with growth comes dysfunction, because growth requires all of us to go where we've never been before. You believe in long-term relationships and working together when challenges arise versus working against one another. Funny how the truth up front is the best sales pitch and the best for what ends up setting a foundation for long-term business relationships and growth. The best brokerage for you to join is with the broker with the best leader. Who do you believe that has the vehicle and the knowledge to lead you where you want to go? How is your leader showing up now, or the one that you are interviewing with? How many homes did they sell in the last 12 months? Do they own a business that has allowed them to remove themselves from production? What are they doing, or what is the brokerage providing for them to earn their 20% or 30% split? I mean, you are paying them a cut of all of your sales. What do they do to earn your business? If this resonates with you and you share our core values, then you need to apply today. Regardless of the outcome, at least you now know what Circle Real Estate is all about. Click on the link in my bio, or we'll have it up there or down below, and we would love the opportunity to explore a partnership with you.